Hello everyone and welcome to another poster tutorial. So today we're going to be designing this really cool typography poster. Create a new document and I'm going to use a 1700, 2400, RGB and press create. Perfect. So first thing, let's just get our text tool here and let's write happiness. This was the one I wrote for the example. And now we're going to actually use a nice font. I'm going to use this PP New Machine font. I love this font very much as well. I'm actually going to use it in plain regular. Great. So next we're going to do is actually go to Object and then Expand. And expand Object and Fill. Press OK. And then right click and ungroup it. So now what we want to do is actually divide this in 3 parts. Select this one and select this one here. Perfect. Let's just group each part together using Command G or Control G in Windows. And let's just align them in the center. And let's make sure it's actually nice aligned. Maybe actually I'm going to align them on the left so it actually matches here on this corner. And then I'm going to scale this up a little bit, as big as we can. Even just like these letters on a white page looks really nice. I think it already works like really well graphically. But we're not going to stop here. Let's just align this on the center again. Perfect. Now let's just select the letters. Actually an inverted to have the stroke like this. And no fill for now. Next we're going to our rectangle tool here. Just make it a nice rectangle like the same size of the artboard. And let's just leave it as a stroke as well. Perfect. And now comes the cool thing. Using the pen tool here, we're going to start drawing lines from the corners. We can make them very organic if you want, or more like straight if you want, or like more straight articulate, yeah. Like not very organic, depending on the style you're looking for. And I just make them really nicely like this. Be sure to actually have the stroke here on the side matching the same on the artboard. Perfect. Let's do it again. Add a few more lines from here. Try to actually intersect the letters as much as you can, because then creates that really cool color effect, which is really cool. Let's just intersect the letter I there. And then maybe I will just go back here. And maybe I feel this side here is actually a little bit too quiet. So actually I'm going to just make it something interesting there as well. Perfect. So I'm going to stop here and now becomes the color magic. So let's go to Window and Swatches Libraries, and I'm going to use the Impressionism color library. I'm going to leave it right here on the center. If mine is probably a little bit bigger than yours, but you can actually select here on the hamburger and actually large thumbnail view and just leave it there. So actually I think it's easier to see the colors together like this. And let's select our text on our new lines. Let's go back to the toolbar here and let's try to find Live Paint bucket. With our with our Live Paint bucket selected, we're going to select one color here and just try to find a nice place for it. So now what we're actually going to do is just like get randomly some colors and then apply them randomly as well here. Maybe this one, and just try to spread them as much as you can. Make it like very interesting. Let's just like select one color and then apply as many elements you can that are actually far away from each other, so it doesn't match us like in the same place. And let's just keep doing it like this. Maybe like here as well. Maybe this eye. Gonna change this color for this one. Maybe this one goes here, and then maybe this one goes here as well, and here. This one can go here. Let's just try to make it. No, that's very close to the same one there. So I'm just randomly selecting colors. Okay, there is no, because I know they are from the same group. They will be okay together. And you know what? We can actually just have some fun and we don't need to respect any brand guidelines on this exercise anyway. So let's just have fun. You can use also other colors if you want. You don't need to use the same color library that I'm using. Always feel free and please do it. Be as creative as you can, because these exercises are not just you to follow the specific step to achieve the same result as me. It's most for you, like it's more for you to actually learn something cool and then like play around with Illustrator and develop your own style. And yeah, keep learning. Actually, it's not, there isn't like I want to do exactly this thing, exactly the same colors. There is no rules, just techniques, and let's just have fun with them. Okay, pep talk finished. I'm sorry. And just keep going with some like colors. Actually, like that color there. I'm gonna use some blacks as well here. Gonna apply them here. Oh, that's not black. This one is. Damn. And I'm gonna apply here. And maybe here as well. I like this, like the contrast with the darker colors. Get the purple again. Gonna apply some purples. Now maybe here. Oh, nice blues here. And maybe there's some small ones here. And maybe actually a lighter color there. And going to apply not the same blue there. Maybe a yellow. Yellow will look nice there too. So it's quite like therapeutic as well, like just selecting these colors and actually talking to yourself, like, oh, maybe this color will be nice there, or that color will be not better. And this is like a million possibilities for color matching, which is really cool, which is like the fun of the exercise. Actually, let's just, what feels right, then we do it. Let's just keep going like this. And apply the black ones here maybe to create that nice contrast. And there maybe I will apply like a lighter color. I think I'm finished here. Let's just have a look. Yes. So it looks, in my opinion, looks amazing. I really like this technique. I think it's very simple and the final result is just something very interesting. Actually, there is a mistake there. I need to change that color to something. Maybe I will leave it. Maybe I'll make it black actually. Oh, no, not everything. Gonna select it and then just make it black like this. So yeah, the final result is very interesting for myself. And I hope you like it too though. And next thing we're going to do is just select the entire artwork and go to the stroke here and just turn off the stroke. We don't need it. And you can keep it if you want, if you like the style of the stroke there, but I like it very clean. Let's just select this artwork here. Let's just right click and then go to transform and scale, and let's just go to 90%. Maybe 95 will be all right actually, and press OK. And let's go and make a nice background. Gonna keep it dark background like this. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you like this technique and this style as well. It's really, I really like it. I think the simplest tutorials are the best ones because you actually achieve so much in such a little time and not so much effort. I think that's a beautiful design. Sometimes simplicity is the best thing you can achieve. So yeah, I'll leave you for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and please like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, and I hope I see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.